Hey everyone, Wizard Pokemon 3 is a brand new video where today we have an Eevee V Tin. And here's Eevee V. And of course, as usual, here's your code card of the day from the V10. RYB PXPC LT6 HBJ. And now here are the packs from that very 10. 2 Darkness Ablaze packs, 1 Rebel Clash, and Summon and Fates Collide. So, let's get into the first Darkness Ablaze pack. If we pull a Charizard, I'm going to flip out because we already pulled Charizard V hat Iron card from this set. But if we pull a second one, I'm going to freak out. Psychic Energy, Cave Toughness, Powerful Normal Energy, Soul Rock, Rookity, Glaring Mr. Mime, Electrike, Dino, Passimian, Combuskin, and Grimmsnarl V. Next, Darkness Ablaze pack. Steel Type Energy, Spikemuth, Birdkeeper, Steenie, Wishy-Washy, Pansage, Tauros, Diglett, Squirvet, what was that? Grimer, and Wigglytuff. Next we have a Rebel Clash. Or should I say Rebel Trash, because this set is the worst. But still a pack, so I'll take it. Dark Energy, Electrode, Xatu, Lombre, Glaring Corsola, Litwick, Shinx, Roly-Poly, Applin, Heracross, and a Diggersby. Our Sun and Moon pack is up next. It's the base set of Sun and Moon. Psychic Energy, Galarian Raticate, Alolan Raticate, EXP Share, Teleporfera, Paris, Lillipup, Bounsweet, Dupiter, How, and a Toxapex holographic. Okay, let's get some last pack magic with this Fates Collide pack. Lucario, wait, that's a rare, oops. Power Memory, Old Amber Aerodactyl, Ultra Ball, Coughing, Chaos Tower, Minccino, Diglett, Riola, and Carbink. Oh well, it looks like we didn't pull that much of anything good. We did get this Grimmsnarl V, which is still a good pull. Let's check out the back. Wayne looks good. Centering doesn't look perfect. Maybe it is, I don't know. It might be a bit off. But that'll be that'll be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. Please click that subscribe button for me so I can get to 100 subscribers and for more awesome content like this video. And I'll see you guys next opening. Bye!